The Auden from Cardel is a bright and open single-family home, meticulously designed to take advantage of every square foot of living space. A sunny front foyer provides clean sightlines past an open staircase to the rear of the home, where the kitchen, family room, and dining area are located. Just off the front foyer, past a two-piece bath, is a mudroom that leads from the garage, through a pantry, and directly into the kitchen. So convenient when arriving home after doing the groceries. The rear of the Auden's main level is bright and spacious, with natural light coming in through large windows and the optional 8-foot patio doors shown. It features an open concept kitchen, dining nook, and a family room with a gas fireplace. A perfect main level for entertaining and family occasions. Extra wide L-shaped stairs leading to the second floor also provide mood-enhancing natural light, thanks to a thoughtfully located window on the landing. A bright master bedroom at the rear of the Auden offers an ensuite with large vanity, with plenty of room for his and her sinks, an oversized shower with a built-in bench, and Cardel's standard 10mm frameless glass enclosure. An oversized walk-in closet can be accessed directly from the ensuite. In this model home, the large second-floor bonus room has been converted into a fourth bedroom, with wall-to-wall windows that maximize natural light and give the room the feel of a master suite. 2 additional bedrooms are located in the middle of the second floor and feature easy-access swing doors on both closets, a standard Cardel feature. Directly across from the bedrooms are a full bathroom and sun-filled laundry room overlooking the front of the home. An optional finished basement rec room in the Auden brings in plenty of natural light through an oversized window. As an option, this space can be converted to a full bedroom with bath. Cardel's Auden single-family home is available in these popular Ottawa area communities.